Okay, hi, my name is Lakshmi Devi. So my part is index number. So now I'm going to second community B. Okay, so I raise the first one. Okay. So I'm continuing with the community B. Okay, community B. B. So okay, now I'm writing the formula as a previous formula same, but I already erased it, right, so that's why. So I redo again now for formula. So price price index PT PO times 100. So the first second quantity relative QT QO times 100. So this is our formula. So why we write the formula? Because it's easy for solve the problem. Okay. So this is a easy way for the solve. So now we give the solution. Okay. So now we see at the B. So B, price index. So PT is 327 and then PO is 384. Okay. So now price index. So 384 and 327 times 100. So the answer is, let's we calculate 384 divide 327 times 100. So the answer is 1192546%. Okay, so this is our answer for price index. So next for quantity relative. Okay, let's do it. Okay, for quantity relative. So where's the QT? QT is 26 and QO is 45. So 26 and 45 times 100. So 26 divide 45 and times 100. So the answer is 175.0769. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, the second is, simple aggregate price index. Okay, let's see for the simple aggregate price index topic. Okay. So for now, I'm going to write the question for simple aggregate price index. Okay. So the question is, the table shows the price of meat and bread per kg 2000 and 2008. So this is a question for simple aggregate price index. So the question is, the table shows the price of meat and bread per kg in 2000 and 2008 year. So this is years. Okay, yes. So now I'm going to the data based on the question. This question. Okay, let me draw. So item. So item are bread, meat. So 2000 and 2008 and 700 year, 2500 year and 1200 year and years of year 4500 year. So this is a base year. Base year. This is a current year. Okay. So the below is using 2000 as the okay. Now I'm going to solve this, but before that, for solve this problem, we need to do 3. So which is, the first is price relative community, and second is simple price index, and lastly is simple aggregate price index. So to solve three things, which is price relative community and simple price index and simple aggregate price index. Okay. So now I'm going to set a price relative community. Okay. So the for formula for this is price relative index. So the formula, price relative equals to PT and PO times 100. So PT divide PO times 100. So whereas the PT is, so PT is current year. So PT is here. So PT. PT is current. PO is year. Base year. Okay. Okay, that's all. So now I'm going to solve for bread. So for the bread is equals to PT PO times 100. So where's the PT? PT is this. So 1200. 1200. 1200 divided by PO. So 700. 700 times 100. So the answer is 1200 divide 700 times 100. So the answer is 171.4286. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, for meat. Okay, for meat. For meat is 4. So PT is where? PT is 4500 divided by PO 2500 times 100. So the answer is, so let's calculate. So 4500 divide 2500 times 100. So the answer is 180. Okay, 180. So this is our answer for price relative computing. So settle for this and yeah. So now we conclude for this. So conclusion for this is, so simple aggregate price index, simple aggregate price index of bread in 2000 is increased by 100% based on 2008. So finish. Okay, we go to next. So now I'm eraser for this because no space. Okay. Okay, one more thing I want to explain. Okay, for the conclude, okay, if you positive, it means increased. Okay, if negative means decrease. Okay, if the above and below is same means equals, so no changes lah. So no need to conclude. Okay. So now for the simple price index. Okay, the second simple price index. So now I'm going to write the formula of simple price index. So very easy. if followed by the formula. So the formula is summation open bracket PT divide PO times 100. So close bracket. So this is the formula. Okay. So now we going to use this formula to solve the problem for the second. Okay. So simple price. So equals to cut panna. So 100 and then divide n and close bracket. So this is the formula or simple price index. So what is n? So okay, once we get the answer, later I will explain what is the n. Okay, so now we going to use this formula to solve the problem. Okay, let's do it. So simple price in price, so equals 171.4245 plus 180 divide 2 times 100. Okay, this is how I get this answer. Okay, this and this previous answer from price relative community. Okay, how I get 2? N means the total. Here, how many? 1 and 2. 2 only. So I'm right, 2 only. So times it. So answer is, let's calculate that. Okay. 171.4245 plus 108 and so the answer is 1757143. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, the second one. Simple price index equals to 1200 divide by 700 times 100 plus 4,500 divide 2,500 times 100 close bracket divide by 2. Okay, so followed by this PT and PO. So PT is 1200 and 700 from 700 and plus minus 2 plus and then open bracket 4,500 divide 2,500 close bracket times 100 close bracket divide 2. So the answer is times 100 and 400 times okay. So the answer is 1757143. Okay, see the answer, the same. Okay, if same means and no need to conclude. So it means equals. Okay, it means equals. So now we are going to third. Okay, eraser first. So now I already erased it. So now we are going to third, the last simple aggregate price index. Okay, the simple aggregate price index. The formula is summation PT divide summation PO times 100. So this is a formula for simple aggregate price index. Summation PT divide summation PO times 100. So easy. Okay, let's start it. Okay, where the PT? Okay, PT is here. For this formula, need to plus. Okay, need to plus. Okay, for example, 1200 plus 4500 divide 700 plus 2500 times 100. So here 1200 plus 4500 divide 700 plus 2500 times 100. So let's calculate for the answer. Okay, 120 plus 4500. So we get it first of all 5700. Okay, 700 plus 2500 is 220. Okay, now 5700 plus 3200 times 100. Okay, the answer is 178.125. So this is the last answer of the simple aggregate price index. Thank you for watching. So this is the last answer of the simple aggregate price index. Thank you for watching. So the third is Lesbian. So the fourth is patches. So the last is Fisher Ideal Index. Thank you. So index number. Okay. So the question is, from the following data dot calculate the price index number for 1990 with 1980 year as base by less periods patches and Fisher Ideal Index. So see the question. From the following data, calculate price index number for 1990 with 1980 as base by Spears, Pages and Fisher Ideal Index. So let's I draw the column data for the based on question. Okay. So community, price, quantity, price, quantity. Okay. So this is current year. Okay, this is current year 1990. Okay, this is the current year. Base year is year 1980. Okay, so this is PO, GO, PIQI. Okay, PO, GO, PIQI. So the first of all, I want to explain what the base year, current year. So for example, current period is current year. Okay, base period is the previous year. Okay, I want to clarify first. Okay? So we continue. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So price is 20, 50, 40, 20. Okay, get it? Then here 8, 10, 50 and 20. So for here 40, 60, 50, 20. Here 6, 5, 15 and 25. Okay. So this is our data. Okay. So now let's calculate. Okay, we give the answer solution. Okay, solve the problem. Okay, first of all, 20 times 8 is 160. So 50 times 10 is 100. And 40 times 15 is 600. 20 times 20, 400. And same goes to, so 40 times 6 is 240. And 60 times 5 is 700. So 60 times 5, 300. So 50 times 15 is 750. Okay. and 20 times 25 is 250. Okay, and we had a side column. Side column. For PO, QI, and QO and PI. Okay. PO, QI, QO, PI. Okay. So now calculate. We pass first. Calculate all. So 160, 160 plus 100, 100 plus 600 plus 400 is summation PO QO equals to 1660. This is answer for the base year. Okay, for current year, 240 times plus 300 plus 750 plus 250 is summation PI QI equals to 1790. Okay, this is the answer. So now we calculate for PO QI QO PI. Okay. So PO and QI. Let the times first. So the total is 120. So 5 times 5 is 250, and then 40 times 15 equals to 600, and 20 times 25 equals to is 500. Okay, so now we settle for QO and PI. So QO and PI, 8 times 40 is equals to 370, and then the for B is 50 times 10 times 60 is equals to 600, and then 15 times 50 equals to 750, and 20 times 20 equals to 400. Okay, so we calculate the total for both of. Okay, 120 plus 250 plus 600 plus 500 plus the summation PO QI equals to 1470. Okay, this is for this answer. And for the second is 370 plus 600 plus 750 plus 400 is summation QO PI equals to 2070. Okay, for now we do the less pairs, patches, and Fisher ideal index. Okay, so for the less previous index. Okay, for the less pair index, first of all I write the less pair of formula. Okay, so the formula is PO1 equals to summation PIQO divide summation POQO. So we calculate the both of. So this is a formula. Okay, this is the formula for the easy catch-up. Okay, so the second is equals to PIQO. So PIQO. So both of the answer. So the answer is 2070 and the under is 2017 and for the POQ is 1660. 1660 and then calculate 2070 divide 1660 is equals to the answer is 1.24 times 100. Okay, the answer is 124%. Okay, this is for less pair index. For next is patches. Okay, patches. Okay, so for the patches, index is the formula. Okay, but the same but little bit different. Okay, we write the formula first. So PO1 equals to summation P1 Q1 and divide summation PO Q1. Okay, divide 100. Okay, this is a formula of patches index. Sorry, the previous one, the spray, I didn't write the 100 times 100. Okay. So this is a method. So we follow by this method. Okay. So PIQ1 is 1 equals to 1790 divide 1470 times 100. Okay, the answer is 1.21. Okay, we divide this. When we calculate this, we get 1.21 and then we times with 100. So the answer is 121%. So easy, right? Okay. For the last touch is Fisher ideal index. Okay. It's so easy. Fisher ideal index. So easy one. So the method for Fisher ideal index is divide open bracket. So less pair index and patches. So less pair index times with patches index times 100 only. This is a method for Fisher ideal index. Okay. Let's use method close bracket times open bracket patches method, close bracket. And then now we go with the answer first. So equals to, so let's pair messages. So let's pair the answer is, so this answer, so the let's pair index answer is this 1.24. So 1.24 times 1.21. Okay, and then times with 100. So equals to, so times with this, so the answer is 1.5004. 1.5004 times 100. So 1.5004 times 100 is equals to 1.22. Okay, and then say times 100. So the final answer is 122%. So this is the final answer. So see how easy it is. So thank you for watching and listen, and thank you, madam.
Hi, my name is Goshni. Today I want to explain about the linear program. So first we want to see our first question. So the first topic I want to explain about you guys is solving equation and inequalities.
Solving equations and inequalities.
So the first question is find the value of x, which is I write the question first.
Find the value of x. So 3x minus 2x minus 1. So it's equals to 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 1.
So the answer so the value of x is -1. This one is answer A, and then the B part. Three x is less than 2x minus 1, which is 3x is less than minus 2x is equals to 1. So the solution, -1. So the answer is x is equals to -1. No, x is less than -1. Sorry for mistake. X is less than -1. So this is the value for x. Okay, the second topic is equation of the straight line. Let me write the question first. Equation of straight line, which is there is two lines. So we find the value for x and y together. என்னக்கா ஒண்ணுமே இல்லாம நின்னுகிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? Okay, in here 0, 2, and this also, and here also 3 or 4. So the formula to find the x is y1 minus y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So this one y1, this one x1, and then here also and here 0 is x1 and 2 is y1, and then here also x2 y2. So we must minus the biggest digital number for minus the smallest one. So 4 minus 2 and then 3 minus 0. So the answer is 2 out of 3. And then the other way we can get the solutions, which is y mx plus 6. So 2 equals to 2 out of 3 and then 0 in bracket and then plus c. So the answer for c is 2, and then the value of y is 2 out of 3 and 2. This one is the answer for value y. So y less than 2 out of y less than 2, I also confused, 2 out of 3 plus 2. So this is the last answer for this question. Now I plot the graph, which is y less than 2 divided by 3x plus 2. The solution finished, ready for second topic. Okay, the third topic is graphic equation and inequalities. So first of all, I erase first because no space. Hold on. Okay, the third one is graphic equation and inequalities. Graphic equations and inequalities. Okay, the first one is we must plot the graph. So the first thing we want to do before draw the graph is we find the question first. So I write the question first. Okay, the first one is y is equals to 3x plus 6. The b, y is equals to plus 1, and then the third one is x equals to 1. So I want to tell with you guys about this one. So we first of all we justify which is less, which is more. So y is less than 3x plus 6. And then the second one is y is more than x plus 1. X plus 1. The third one is x less than 1. Okay. We start to plot the graph. Okay, we want to see the first solution, which is y 3x plus 6. Y equals to 3x plus 6. The solution for this is y is equals to 0, and then 0 is equals to 3x plus 6. And this is the answer for this one. And the second one is y equal to x plus 1. So the solution for the second one is y is equals to 3x plus 6, y which is y equals to 0, and then 0 is equals to 3x plus 6. Okay, we must divide the solution first, which is negative 6 divided by 3, and then it's equals to 3x divided by 3. So the answer for this one is minus 2. And then the coordinate we must plot the graph is negative 2, 0. So this one is value of x. And then we must do the third one. Y equals to 3x plus 6. The solution for this one is x equals to 0, and then y 3, the 0 is here, and then plus 6. So the answer is 6. So the coordinate we must plot in the graph is 0, 6. So this one is x, this one is y, and then here also is same. So this one is A, and then this one is B. So we start plot the graph first, and then we search answer for C and D. So this one is x, and then this one is y. I just use the hand only because I do not have ruler. So here negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2. Wait, hold on. Here you must plot the number till 8. 0, 1, no, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then here also you must plot the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you must plot the first one, which is A. In x negative 2, and then the y is 0. So here. And then the second one is this one, the B1. X is 0, and then y is 6. So you must plot in here. And then the B1 is the x is 0, the y is 6. So we must plot here. So we can use ruler to plot. And then now we search the answer for C and D, which is this is C1. Y is equals to x minus 1, x plus 1, sorry, and then y is equals to 0. So the answer for the x is negative 1, which is 0 is equals to x plus 1. So this one. So the answer for the C is 1. You must plot here later, and then we now search for the D, the second one. So y is equals to plus 1. So it's B1, which is x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So the answer for the D is 0, 1, which is x is 0, y is 1. So we start to plot the graph. Negative 1 here, and then we plot this one first. You underline between this and this must cross. After that, you can find the underline to get to know the answer of the plot, number of plot. So which is the answer of this one is here. You can draw the line like this. So the answer is 1. And that's all from me today. Thank you for your listening, and thank you for Miss Atika to give opportunity like this.
Hi, good evening. Today I want to explain about isocos lines and dating to Madam. So first of all, we read the question first. Which cause of a water day RM 100 per at cost of a machine per day RM 250. Okay, now we see formula and the answers. The formula for this one is CK plus WL y is equals to AX plus B. So RK YL is equals to C. K is equals to W L plus C. So the meaning of K is capital, L is labor, E is amount control, and the WL is wage labor. So the for this question solution is solution, which is C is equals to 2050K plus 100L. So we must separate in two ways, which is but the companies of the brand it's same. So which is C it's equals to for
plus 100, 10. So the answer is we see later. In here also 30. Okay. Okay. This one solution is 250 times by 4, which is 1000, and then plus 100 times by 10, which is 1000. So the total amount of the capital is Rm 2000. In here also 30 times by 10, it's equals to 300. 300 plus 100 times by 2, which is 200. Sorry. So the capital for here also 200. So it's different. Okay, the differences from two causes, which is R and 1800. The different lah. So now we can do the graph. Okay, now we start to draw the graph. Here we must plot until 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Here also same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Here is labor, which is workers. Here it's capital machines, which is given. Then the cost is Rm 2000. Okay. We start to plot, but we must follow here also, which is here the labor one is 4, here 4, and then the technology X, so we must plot here. Okay, and then okay, now we must plot X, so which is 8, till 20, but the line is 45. Okay, the Paxi S is 8 until 20, and then okay, here is a X, and then okay, here is Rm 200, which is this one is Y. Okay, this one is Paxi S and this one is Paxi Y. Okay, and that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and thank you for Ms. Atika to give opportunity. Thank you.
Second subtopic is break-even analysis. So the formula break-even point. So which is fixed cost equals to selling price minus variable cost. Okay,
Okay, in this, why in the short form for this one is FC, which is FC minus by ET.
Okay, so now we see the problem first and then we give solution for that answer, that question. Okay, the problem is Regina sells apples at the local market. Okay, full stop. She pays RM 100 ringgit daily for the rental of space and spend RM 20 ringgit to buy each apple which she sells for the RM 30 ringgit. Solve for the break-even point. So these are the problem for this chapter. Solves the break-even point. So now we wanna see solution for this problem. Okay, now we see solution for this problem, which is fixed cost RM 100 and then variable cost per unit 20 ringgit. Variable cost per unit, which is 20, and then selling price for in this market is 30 ringgit. Selling price 30 ringgit. Okay, so the formula to solve this question is fixed cost equal divided by selling price and then variable cost. Okay, so the fixed cost for this problem is 100 ringgit equal selling price, which is 30 ringgit, and then variable cost per unit 20 ringgit. First of all, we solve this one, which is RM 30 minus RM 20. So you guys get RM 10 ringgit. RM 10. So after that you divide by 100 ringgit. So which is RM 100 divide by RM 10. So you guys will get RM 10 ringgit. If you're not sure, you guys can use calculator for the correct answer. So the break-even point for this one is RM 10 ringgit. So
I hope you guys understand my lesson that I'm teaching you, and thank you for your listening and learning.